Hello, I am Dr. Mohammed Kaleem. I'm going to share how to create a website using WordPress.com. In order to just make the website using WordPress.com, you just start with the Google, and on Google type WordPress, WordPress site. Thereafter, you will find WordPress.com create free website. So on this, just click over that. You will find this screen again. On this screen, get started. Click on get started. Then you will find a new screen which is going to open. Thereafter, this screen will appear, on which different question is asked from the user in order to design the website. What would you like to name your site? So in this section you can just name your website, and what about your website? You can just you can fill up education like this, and here is the website like physics play. PHY is physics play. Physics play. Thereafter, you have to check the box like just offer education, and thereafter you have to start for the beginner, and after continue you will do the continue. Then this window will appear, in which you have to name your website. Thereafter, it will check that whether this website is available or not, and in this way you have to step for the 4 steps. After creating the 4 step, you will find you will find an address on the WordPress.com, and I have already made the website, so I just here log in my website.